Hey guys, Ray here. So I just wanted to start making a few devlog videos on what project I'm currently working on. This is just kind of a passion project. I'm just doing this for fun, but I won't be releasing, or I won't be revealing any of the code that I'm using in this project. It's not really for learning. It's just kind of to show the progress of what I've been working on recently. So I may choose to release some of the code at some point in time. It just kind of depends on what I decide. So let's go ahead and get started with some of the functions that I've been working on the last 2 days. I'm going to skip anything that's been covered in the last two videos, even though I didn't really cover them. I just kind of showed them. Um, so this is the current state of the project. Now today I worked on the chat system. You'll see it right here. I already have one message in there. It's just the admin saying start. I am the admin. So this chat system I actually did release on my website. So it's completely open source. Have at it, enjoy it. It's just something that I did for simple prototyping of the project. So if you go in here, you see that it's currently Gregory's turn. So if I go ahead and type in Gregory, and then I'd say, hey, go left, moves left. If I say go right, moves right. Left, up, down. Alright, now it's Kiki's turn. Each character currently has five speed, so he's able to move 5 tiles at once. The areas enclosed are tiles, so don't let the squares and let the grids confuse you. It's kind of those are meant for just showing movement tiles. So now I can do the same with Kiki. There is a bit of a delay, and that's just because of the refresh rate that I have going right now. Alright, now it's Ray's turn. So that just kind of shows off and if I want to clear the chat, that's something that I've added in just to save me some time from accessing the database itself. This all functions just off of simple PHP and a SQL database. So you can really adapt this to whatever project you're working on and kind of modify whatever you want. I released that on my website. There'll be a link in the description that includes that. So the main point that I wanted to show here was just the basic concept and what I've been working on recently. So one extra thing that I worked on today was if you go under level, I created a custom inspector for the movement grid. Now this just shows the open and closed points, and it generates the grid. If you go up here, you'll see that these are red underneath, and then these are all green if I wanted to change one of those. It should go ahead and update. Well, that's interesting. Not quite sure why that's not updating. Well, that's interesting at least. So already an error with the code, but it's a work in progress. So that's the current kind of state of the code. I'll work on it more tomorrow. At the moment, I don't have that much time. But yeah, I'll get that resolved. I have to change the whole layout of that anyway. So yeah, stay tuned for more updates.